So it's another gorgeous day today. It's a lot colder than it was yesterday, but sun's shining and it's really nice that way. So yeah, this is a culmination of a couple of days of videos. Yesterday I was quite depressed. Today is a little better. I mean, Mom seems to be getting some relief from the pain meds, so that's good. But yeah, so it's like I haven't eaten yet myself today. I did get time to get in the shower, and I'm using my lunch hour right now to get the dogs out for a walk. But because I've been calling places to try to find help, the phone's kind of been ringing off the wall. So hopefully nobody calls while I'm walking the dogs and I can at least enjoy this hike. So I'm going to turn it around. So I'm at Ganondagan. It's owned by the Native Americans of the area. And it's a really nice hiking trail. The dogs are really happy to get out. They've been really patient since I was sick with COVID and wasn't able to do much with them. And now my time is taken up with Mom quite a bit. So they've been very good and very patient. But yeah, so getting out for a walk and hopefully Mom continues to get better, because I know she really wants to go to her apartment. And she just can't go there until she can properly care for herself. You know, she's got to be able to get up and make her own food or get her own food. And you know, be able to dress herself, and you know, the pain is what's inhibiting that right now. So I think we'll go, rather than that trail today, I think we'll go the easier one. I think it'll save a little bit of time, because I only do have an hour. There's Pippin bringing up the rear. This is a really beautiful place. I know when I watch my YouTube videos and I watch Tideline to Alpine, Amanda, she's out in BC, and oh my gosh, the scenery is so beautiful with big mountains and lush greenery, and yeah, it's very pretty. But it is pretty here too in its own way, you know. And this is exactly what I needed to get away and clear my head just a little bit, you know. Dogs too.